Satria anankiray ity a ny tena important be izy io miresaka ny gestion de risque catastrophe. Satria ninona ataontsika raha ohatra da tsy misy paikady atrehana ny loza zay mety hisy ny tena tsy tafavoaka foana le tetik'asa natao. Ka izay le hoe le tena nanolona foana hoe tena mila misapisany ratsy mba ahazoany soa. Zany hoe vinavina fisafisaitsika ny zavatra mety ratsy mety hisy mba ahafahantsika miady aminy sy mametaka ny paikady tafavoaka sy hialantsika amin'izay raha mety hisy. Dia akasitrahantsika no mpamatsy vola izay mitondra an'izay tatsoka zay hanampy atsika. Atao mpanavidavitra nga misy an'zareo any Koreany nefa atsika ty vapiany. Ka izay no nentanako hoe fa atsika mpisehatra rehetra ao mba ho matotra mba hiasa tsara sy hahay miara-miasa amin'ny mpisehatra. Tsy ho lavorary ny zavatra atao satria ny fanombohana matetika dia zavatra kely fa zay fahaizantsika mitantana ny zavatra kely omenatsika no mahatonga azy ho ngeza be ary lasa hoe misy partenaria ngeza be eo amin'ny firenena roa tonga. Ka tena isaorana manokana Ramatoa Joyce, thank you very much for your support us, because we need to we need your support, we need your advice, we need our help. So we are very happy to receive you, and we are ready to help you if you need everything you need. You can ask the region. The door is open to help you. So thank you very much for. We need also to work with the Korean Republic. So the Anösy region want to have a collaboration between maybe one region in Korea. So it depends on how we can meet to do it. Thank you. They want sort of quality.
The disaster risk reduction workshop we held in the food farm, and this is for having some practical manual to help to reduce the risk of disaster in Anösy region. So today our beneficiary in Ifotaka commune and the village of the Angarafali and Anjamabelu they attend, and also the government authorities and some NGO and UN organization people will gather together, and then we discuss and then we share the opinion each other. And this is kind of workshop like pre-bay and government workshop. So I think it's very meaningful because it's not only the government level, but we discuss with the village people as well. So we can set up the practical manual. So it goes on every two times a year. So next year we will come out the real manual. So I'm very excited about it.
So we will keep on working with the Anösy region to make a collaboration with the organizations and the government, and to prevent and mitigate and also respond to the disaster happening in the Anösy region. So during the next workshop until the 2027, we will keep on meeting with the government officials and the NGO to make and elaborate a disaster risk reduction protocol and manual.